Hello, today we're gonna speak about different house types. So let's start with the most popular house, the single family house. Single family house is in German Einfamilienhaus. Das Einfamilienhaus. And of course the most popular kind of house, but also the most expensive house. And in some parts of Germany, you don't get more any permission to build a single family house. Of course, I'm sure most of all know the difference between a single family house and a weekend house or a garden house. But let's talk about a garden. Very often in Germany, people have also a garden house, a weekend house, ein Gartenhaus, or weekend house, ein Wochenendhaus. From the authority sides, it's not allowed to stay there permanently, but sometimes the garden house are complete with restroom, kitchen, sleeping room, and also living room. So don't underestimate them, but they are not single family houses. But there are also a lot of garden houses. They are really small, and you wouldn't like to stay there more than 1 hour. Yeah. Yes, and this one, I think you kind of call it more rundown house. I think it's more dilapidated house. And we call this in German Bruchbude. Bruch von breakdown, and Bude is a slang word for a house, for a really small and bad house. Bruchbude. So the next house what I want to show you is a terraced house, or also called townhouse. Terraced house, townhouse. In German we call it das Reihenhaus. Das Reihenhaus. Das Reihenhaus. Reihe like row and house like house. Okay. Yeah, guys, here I'm not really sure if you should call it Reihenhaus, terraced house. I'm not sure, I think no. So when two houses are together as one house, this is a semi-detached house. It's called in German Doppelhaushälfte. Double house parts. Doppelhaushälfte. So, und die nächste Sorte. So, and the next kind is the apartment house. In German we call this apartment house. Apartment house. Easy German, easy to remember, apartment house. But you can see also for a really big house with a lot of flats, especially like in East Germany, you can call it also Wohnblock. But this convey also that the flats inside are not so valuable. Yeah, I would say valuable. Yeah. So apartment house, Wohnblock. Wohnblock is in quality a little bit lower. So to be careful with Wohnblock, it's better when you use only apartment house. So the next kind of house is a high-rise. You can say to all buildings with more than 6 floors, high-rise. High-rise called in German Hochhaus. 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 Nicht hoch hinaus. Hochhaus. The flat in a high-rise, Hochhaus, or in the apartment house, this is called Wohnung, flat, Wohnung, flat, die Wohnung. And you have the entry of the house and the entry of the flat, entry of the house called Hauseingang, entry to the flat called Wohnungseingang. So in the single family house, semi-detached house, or townhouse, you have no Wohnungseingang because you have only Hauseingang. You have only a Wohnungseingang when you have more than 2 flats in one house. Then you make a difference between Hauseingang and Wohnungseingang. House entry and flat entry. And finally, here we have some skyscraper. Skyscraper, really high house. We call it German Wolkenkratzer. Scratch on the clouds. Wolkenkratzer. Really interesting name, yeah? Wolkenkratzer. And so at least we shouldn't forget the TV tower. Fernsehtürme. So I hope it was interesting for you, and if you have any questions, please write in the comment and I will answer all. And don't forget, it's easy German. Try to speak German wherever you can do. Also, if someone don't like this, no problem, try it. And in this sense, have a nice day.